The global network security market is expected to grow at 7.84% of CAGR over the next 4 years. According to Gartner, the network security market in India will reach $1.69 billion by 2019, with network equipment and services contributing to $1.01 billion. Network security is crucial for everyone, from large organizations to SME. It is needed to protect the crucial business information from unauthorized access and data theft. Networks are subject to attacks from malicious sources. Attacks can be passive like wiretapping, port scan and idle scan, and active like denial of services, DNS spoofing, man in the middle, ARP poisoning, Smurf attacks, buffer overflow, heap overflow, SQL injection, format of string attack, cross-site scripting, and cross-site request forgery. The focus of network security market has shifted to more predictive and proactive approach. The increased adoption of disruptive technologies like mobility, virtualization and cloud computing are pushing the security vendors to expand their network security solutions capabilities. Now if I talk about wireless network security market, it is growing. Wireless networks have many benefits. One of the main benefits is that with untethered access to applications, emails, documents and other network resources, employees can roam wherever they want with constant access to the tools they needed to do their job. Wireless networks improves productivity. It increases the mobility and collaboration and improves the overall responsiveness. A report from Markets and Markets expects that wireless network security market will reach $15.55 billion by 2019. The rise of wireless networks in enterprises and increase in adoption of mobile devices at workplace like BYOD policy are the prime factors driving growth in this market. The enterprise mobility and BYOD have many cost and performance benefits. There is no doubt that it increases the overall productivity, but at the same time, it creates new security vulnerabilities and risk. While implementing these IT policies, organizations need to ensure that they have a strong security control, communication and training system in place so that your BYOD policy, bring your own device, do not turn into breach your own data.